Hi guys, Andy here. Hope you're well. So I had a coaching call with a client the other day, and one of the things that came up was, why am I basically making the same mistakes over and over again? Okay, so the person is consciously aware that he keeps doing the same thing, but yet he keeps doing it. Well, quite simply put, without going into crazy detail, he's programmed that way. And you know, most people have a habit of doing certain things the same way, and we also have income caps subconsciously. Okay, a lot of the time people only feel like that's what they deserve, or that's what they can earn, and they cap it. And even if on a conscious level you're saying you want more, on a programming level, which often comes from childhood and you know what you've seen around you growing up, they don't have the capacity to earn more. So how do you counter this? How do you break through your income levels for 2020? Well, my recommendation is, you know, if you're not going to be working with a psychologist or, you know, a mentor, or, you know, somebody who's going to basically help you or assist you, and by the way, if you can afford it, find a good one and do that, because that's great for you. Okay, you can even use things like hypnosis and all these other kind of you know, NLP techniques to change your habits. But aside from those, what can you do yourself? Well, one of the things that I think is one of the most powerful things that people don't use often enough is to journal. Journal every day. So you should be journaling basically about your trading experience, what you're doing every day, how you felt in the markets, how you felt you did, how you traded, all those kind of things. Okay, so I'm not talking about journaling about, you know, who you like in your classroom, or you know, your everyday today details. I'm talking about your trading, journaling your personality, what you're feeling, and then basically just writing it down and then going back and reviewing it once a week. And then what I do is I like to review what I've actually written the whole week. So actually summarize it in my journal, and then how I feel about what I've written, if that makes any sense. So in other words, I'm basically, when I'm journaling on a day-to-day basis, I'm basically journaling feelings. And then on, say, on a weekend, I'm not journaling feelings because the markets are closed. I'm journaling my thoughts about what I've done and what I've written. And that process, then you start to think about what you're doing, and then what you can do then is set an outcome for the following week. So you can then say, look, what I want to improve this week is, I want to, for example, okay, make sure that before I start trading, I go to the gym. I want to make sure that I go to bed by 9 o'clock, because that's having an impact on my trading, or whatever it is. Set a couple of goals, maybe maximum 2, or ideally even 1 thing that you want to change the next week. So normally it's easier to do 1. So if, for example, you've not done very well with going to bed and you haven't followed the rules, then make sure for the following week that you have a goal to go to bed by a certain time. And then you just slowly build that habit up, and hopefully you'll start to see an impact on your trading results. Okay, so this applies, by the way, to trading, but also applies to anything, any kind of wealth goals, and breaking through those barriers so that you can really get to the next level next year. Hope it helps, guys. Have a great Christmas and good trading. Take care. Bye bye.